Hello and welcome back to Csylnaturals DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this face moisturizer. This cream is very moisturizing and is good on the skin. So to get started, I'm going to be starting with the water face. And with my water face, I have 76 grams of water. And I'm going to add my goat milk powder to it, 1 gram of goat milk powder. And I'm going to add, the next I'm adding is my glycerin, 2 grams of glycerin. So in another bowl, I have my oil face, and I'm going to add my shea butter, 6 grams of shea butter, and my castor oil, 8 grams of castor oil, and I'm using emulsifying wax. I'm using 4 grams of emulsifying wax for this tutorial, and also I'm using 2 grams of cereal alcohol. So after adding everything together, I'm going to, in a double boiler, I'm going to melt the oils, and after melting it, I'm going to pour the oil face into the water, and I'm mixing it with my hand blender. So after mixing it, in the cool down phase, I'm going to add my essential oils. And for my essential oils, I'm using tea tree oil as an antioxidant and also my preservative. And for this tutorial, I use liquid German Plus for this tutorial. So guys, here is my face moisturizer. This cream is so moisturizing, and once it gets in contact on the skin, it dissolves immediately. So if you have any question, don't forget to use the comment section. Share my videos and like them. If you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up. So after mixing my ingredients together and mixing my cream, then I'm going to, in a clean container, I'm going to pour in my cream. So here is the cream. Once you apply it on your skin, it melts immediately, just absorb on your skin. So here is the final result. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.